Hello, my name is Susieri Agustina. I'm from the age 2023. Here I want to uh, explain you about the tutorial of how I make my teaching material by using some AI, and I will show you for KD 3.10 and 4.10 short functional text with the topic is advertisement, giving and asking for information about products and service in ninth grade junior high school. Here is the KD. 3.10 is membandingkan fungsi sosial struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks khusus dalam bentuk iklan dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait produk dan jasa sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. 4.10 menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks khusus dalam bentuk iklan, pendek dan sederhana terkait produk dan jasa. In making the teaching material, I will give the first of all, I will explain about the short functional text or the kind of the text. In this case, the topic is advertisement. That this is one kind of the short functional text. I will give the introduction of a short functional text. Okay, it's divided to be some kinds or some parts. The first one is what is the definition of short functional text. I think it's important to me as a teacher to explain to my students what kind of the text that we will learn at the time, so they can understand what is the social function, what is the purpose of the text. In here I use some AI. To find out about the definition, I use some AI like ChatGPT or Perplexity. First of all, I will use ChatGPT, I will make the prompt. Hello, I want to make the teaching material So in here, mm, oh yeah, I forgot to make the prompt. I think it's wrong, right? Wait, yeah. Uh, but before, let explain to me about the short functional text. Jadi di sini dia diberikan penjelasan what is short functional text, what is the characteristic, what is the example, and what is the social function, and why it's important. So the first point is what is the definition, right? So here, short functional is the type of text that is short, simple, and created to help to do something. Uh, I think it's enough for the explain about the definition. So I will copy paste it and put to the word. Okay. And nih tinggal dirapiin aja. Okay. So the second point is what is the characteristic of the short functional text. I think it's not really long explanation, so I can ask the AI to make it to be more long. So yeah, I think the part of characteristic is not detailed, so please explain more. So okay, because in here they put some of the example. What is the example one by one? I think but it's better to me to take this one. Okay, I copy paste and put into Word. Characteristic of short functional text. Dan ini tinggal dirapiin aja. It we can give some penanda supaya kita bisa remind lebih banyak, mudah gitu menghafalnya atau menjelaskannya. Kita bisa kasih tanda mungkin like a gift the bolt. Okay. Next is what is the example, or what is the kind of topic that include to short functional text. Okay, so here there are 6, and yeah, our topic in here. Okay, if I don't get advertisement in here, maybe I will find out, uh, or I will ask to the AI, is advertisement one kind of short functional text? Yes. So if I don't get advertisement in the explanation of the example, we'll ask to AI, and the prompt is like this. Okay, so the move to the example. We copy paste. I think, how if we ask, uh, how about, no, can you explain, can you give the example of the so I think, ya, ini dikasih contoh, jadi kita tinggal pilih aja, kita mau pakai contoh atau enggak. Kalau misalnya enggak, ya kita ambil yang di atas tadi, karena ini juga udah cukup membantu. Karena dia kayak purpose-nya apa, promote, berarti udah pasti iklan, itu kayak menawarkan produk, so I think it's enough also. But if you want to add the example, you can write the prompt like that I do before. So next, no, the kind of, it's not like the kind actually, maybe it's the types of short functional text. We make it bold and we paste. Oke, terus tinggal dirapiin aja. Oke. Oh ya, ini belum. Oke, next, ini udah di C. We move to the next part. The social function of short functional text. Oke, ini kayaknya kurang ini ya. Coba ya kita buat. What is the social function of short functional text? Okay, so what's the social function is to inform, to warn or remind, to persuade, to invite or request, to express feelings, to instruct. So, ini cuma dijelasin secara singkat dan diberikan juga contoh-contohnya. Oke, ini tinggal kita copy paste. But I want to find out also in Perplexity. Hello, can you explain about the short functional text like the definition, uh, the social function, the characteristic, the type, and the language features. Nah, di sini di social functionnya semua dijelasin secara paragraf ya. Kayaknya masih lebih baik kita gunakan yang ini. Kan dalam paragraf dia nggak ada poin-poinnya. Oke. To inform until to instruct. Oke. Ini tadi sudah di Okay, move to the next part. How about the text structure, maybe? How about the text structure? Please explain only the text structure in general. So ya, ini dia. Tinggal di copy. Ini sepertinya nggak perlu ya dibuat ininya. Kita pakai yang ini aja. Oke. Nanti ada yang satu lagi, dia bagian E itu untuk the structure, the text structure. Ini juga. Okay, so about the text structure itu ada 5, yaitu headline, ada heading, kayaknya tadi udah ya. Kita copy paste ulang ya. Heading or title. The next one is the main information. The last is additional details. It's like, yeah. Okay, I think it's enough for the introduction of the search functional text, and we move to introduction about introduction of advertisement. Okay, so I want to try another AI. How about Magic School, maybe? Okay. Hello. Uh, I want to make the teaching material of ini kita copy KD-nya, kita copy paste. For KD 3.10. Make only the material, karena ini dia diminta kayak menawarkan how about the LKPD, how about the worship and the keyword. Kayak ini saya coba pakai Magic School. Dia yang pertama adalah ciri-ciri teks iklan. So nggak ada ya dikasih penjelasannya. Nggak dikasih penjelasan. So I think it's not really complete enough for me. Can we move to perplexity? Kita copy paste aja dari sini ya, promnya. Okay. No. Nih. Coba kita tambah. Make the part of definition social function generate Oke, ini bisa nih. Oke. Definition ya, ini kita copy, terus kita paste ke sini. Okay, next is the social function. Oke, ini the social functionnya. Ya, ini bisa nih. Kita copy paste. Oke, next. Oh no. Ada kesalahan, sebentar. Oke. Oke, next. How about the generic structure? Ini tinggal dirapiin aja. Okay. Next is the language features. I think it's not enough for the language features. Saya mau lihat di sini tadi. Can you explain Oke, ini udah lengkap nih. Jadi kasih contoh juga. Oke. What? Oke, jadi dia ada 10. Kita copy. Nah, ini lumayan berantakan ya karena dia AI. Coba kita buat dari sini dulu. Oke. Udah better. Ini kita bold ya sebagai penanda. Oke, biar ingat aja, biar gampang diingat. Oke, the last is what is the language features? Okay, in the last part, I want to give the example. Example 1 and example 2. Okay. So di sini dia ada dari Google itu berbagai macam iklan. Tapi saya mau coba untuk pakai ini dulu ya, kalimat. Karena mungkin dominannya tugasnya tuh analisis kalimat langsung dalam teks. Jadi bukan kayak gambar gitu, coba ya. Can you give the simple example? Ini bisa nih. So, nanti ini bisa dijadikan contoh ke siswanya. Bahkan ini bisa digunakan untuk worksheet if they will analyze of text. Nanti dianalisis nih, bagian-bagiannya apa, what is the what is the collection call to action. And example 2 I also will use from here. There is where I don't interest, please more make more interest. Nih, about service, tulis. Nah, ini tadi tentang produk ya. Nah, we will find about nih. Give more example. Karena ini kepanjangan ya. Ini bisa nih. So I think it's enough for the teaching material. Maybe I just need to make it to be better. Start from make the same format of kind of data text or the size, yeah, something like that. So I think it's my explanation, or it's the tutorial how I can use AI to make the teaching material. I hope it can help me to make another teaching material from some topic. And so it's enough for credit 3.10 and 4.10 for 9th grade in junior high school. So my I say thank you for watching this video, and I, Sosia Agustina, really apologize if I have some mistake along make the video. Thank you guys.